for this pasta dish, I'm going to be using macaroni pasta. It's the one I'm using, but you can use any other one you like. Next, I'm going to be using the cream of mushroom. It's a condensed soup. And we're going to use some onion, garlic, some bell pepper, a red one. And you can use chicken fillet strips, or you can use thighs, whichever you like. For seasoning, we're going to use the Italian seasoning, some pepper, salt, and the main ingredient is this chipotle chili pepper. This is from President's Choice, but you can get a similar brand that has the same flavor. So first you need to boil the pasta. I'm using 2 cups of pasta for mine. I like to season the pasta in salt. This gives it more flavor. So while the pasta is cooking, I'm going to cut the vegetables and the chicken. So to saute the vegetables, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So once the oil is hot, add in the garlic and the onions. And we're going to caramelize the onions until it's ready before we add the bell pepper. So saute this at medium heat. Now that the onions have turned slightly brown, we can add the bell peppers. And we want to cook the bell pepper for about 3 to 4 minutes just to get a nice crisp. And we'll leave it for 3 to 4 minutes. So I don't like to keep the bell peppers soggy. I like to be a little crunchy. So I'm just going to add the cream of mushroom now and start that. I'm going to add some water as well because it's pretty thick. You keep stirring as you're putting water in. So now we can add the spices. I'm going to add the Italian seasoning first. And follow up with the chipotle chili pepper. And also add some pepper as well, for some kick. You can flavor to your own seasoning, however you like. So this sauce already came with some salt. I tasted it before, so I'm just going to be conservative and kind of taste it before I add any more salt to it. Oh, that's good. Don't need to add any more salt, so we'll keep it as it is. Now on to the final step. We're going to add the chicken to the mix. So if it's really thick, you can add more water to the mix if you feel needs to, just so it can cook the chicken. Because by the time you cook it, it'll lose a lot of water. And just close it. So once the chicken is cooked in medium heat, it's ready to be served on top of the pasta. All right, let's dig in. The spice came out really good. Could maybe add a little more pepper, but the salt is perfect. Chicken is also good. You can also make this with a slow cooker. You can add the chipotle chicken spice with the mushroom and everything and slow cook it to get the chicken nice and tender. And you can use any chicken you like thigh pieces or breast pieces. And might have to just leave it there for about 4 hours on medium heat and it'll be nice done. That was a good meal. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it. Hopefully you can try it at home. Try it out. Let me know how it is in the comments, and I'd like to hear how it turned out and how you enjoy the flavor. So thank you for joining me, and stick around for more and make more videos to come. Thank you.